Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Soniha Putri Wirakartika. You can call me Putri. I want to explain about test-based language learning or TBLL method. I want to explain about definition of method test-based language learning, the advantage of method test-based language learning, and how to apply of method test-based language learning. Okay, the first is definition of test-based language learning or TBLL. The test-based language learning method is a language learning approach that focuses on completing specific tests as a way to develop language skill. Okay, next, I want to explain about the advantage of test-based language learning or TBLL. Okay, there are actually a lot of the advantage of test-based language learning, but I want to explain 12 the advantage of test-based language learning. Okay, the first is communicative skill development. The focus on text promotes language use in communicative context, strengthening speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. Okay, the second is student motivation. Students tend to be more motivated as they engage in activities that have concrete goals, making learning more interesting and meaningful. The third is emphasis on problem-solving ability. Students learning to think critically and solve problems as they engage in tests that simulate real life. And the next, clear measures of progress. Evaluation of student progress can be done through test results, providing a concrete picture of their language abilities. Okay, next, natural communication. TBLL tests are relevant to the real world, which encourages learners to communicate in a spontaneous and authentic way. This is in contrast to traditional method, which can often be rigid and structured. Next, focus on meaning. TBLL advises the use of language to achieve a specific goal rather than simply mastering grammar structures. This helps learning to become comfortable using language flexibly and creatively to express their ideas. Next, comprehensive skill development. TBLL does not only focus on one aspect of language, but develops all skills such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Learners automatically hone all four skills when working on collaborative tests or presentation. Next, knowledge transfer. Language skills acquired through TBLL are easily applied in real-world situations because they are learned in a relevant context. Learners can immediately practice what they have learned in everyday conversation or when faced with similar communication situation. Okay, the next is collaboration and teamwork. TBLL often involves collaboration between learners, which improve their communication, negotiation, and teamwork skills. This is useful not only in language mastery, but also in personal and professional life. Next, adaptability to individual needs. TBLL can be adapted to different level of learner ability and interest. Tests can be modified to make them easier or more challenging to suit the needs of each individual. Next, creativity development. Open and creative tests encourage learners to think critically and find their own solution. This strengthens their creativity and improvisation skill in using language. Okay, next, increased cultural understanding. TBLL often involves tests that focus on the target culture. This can help learners to understand the culture and context in which the language is spoken. And the last is improve self-learning skills. TBLL encourages learners to become more independent in language learning. They need to seek out the information and research they need to complete their tests. Okay, next I want to explain about how to apply the test-based language learning or TBLL. I want to explain about 11 methods. The first is select relevant tests. Select tests that reflect real life and are appropriate for the student ability level. Make sure the test emphasizes the use of language in practical situations. The second is identify learning objective. Determine the language learning objective to be achieved through the test to be given to student. The third is provide clear instruction. Clearly explain the test, include objective, rules, and grading criteria. Make sure the student understand the learning expectation. Next is facilitate discussion and collaboration. Encourage students to discuss and work together in completing tests. This not only strengthens language skills, but also develops social skills. Next, join reflection and evaluation. After completing the test, invite the student to reflect and evaluate together. This allows students to see their progress, difficult encountered, and new understandings gained. Next is integrate skills. Include listening, speaking, reading, and writing components within tests to address all language skills. Next, scaffold learning. Gradually increase to the complexity of tests as learners become more proficient. This encourages a gradual progression in language development. Next is reflection. Allow time for learners to reflect on the test, discuss what went well, what challenges they face, and how they can improve. And next, repeat and vary. Repeat similar tests with different contents or in different contexts. This helps reinforce language skills in various situations. Okay, the last is authentic materials. Use authentic materials like newspaper, videos, or real-world documents to expose learners to genuine language use. Okay, from my explanation above, I can conclude test-based language learning or TBLL method is an effective and contextualized approach to language learning. It is suitable for learners who seek learning experiences that are engaged and relevant to everyday life. TBLL promotes the development of practical communication skills, active engagement, and deep understanding. And my advice is, I think this method is very suitable to use when we or the students want to learn good language. By applying this method, the teaching and learning process can become more test-oriented, motivate students, and build practical language skills. Okay, maybe that's all my explanation about test-based language learning or TBLL. Thanks for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.